everyone, I want you to meet Lani and Rudy. Now, can you say hi? Now, yellow-crowned Amazon parrots are one of the most commonly kept Amazon species due to their excellent talking ability and playful nature.
That's right. These types of birds are great at making everyday sounds like a rooster, a cat, a dog, and a ringing or even a whistle.
Alright, now let's try a rooster first.
How about that?
Now for the next one, it is Rudy's favorite animal sound. Now Rudy, can you bark? Now for the next one, it's a telephone ringing. Now last one is a whistle. Good job, buddies. Now Lani and Rudy here loves to sing. Is it true, Miss Donna?
Yes, but before they sing, we need to know what all singers do. We have to warm up first.
Alright, now let's do the warm up. La 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 la. La 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 la. Now for the first song. Whoa, yeah. I love you more than whoa, yeah. I love you more than Now, before we proceed to our next song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today? Alright, within this month, raise your hand. Alright, now happy birthday. Now, buddies, we have a lot of celebrants here. What will we do next? Alright. That's one. Now see how talented parrots are? They can mimic sound so well because their brains are super smart. Just like how humans use their voices. So round of applause to our mimicking birds here named Lani and Rudy, and also to their mentor, Miss Donna.